Guys, today I'm going to show you how you can fix invisible WhatsApp notifications in the Motorola G22. So at the start, always check your DND mode to be sure that you have this icon deactivated. In the next step, hold the finger on the WhatsApp app and go to the app info. We're gonna start from the notifications. Check that you have this switcher turned on and go to the additional settings. Now make sure that you have activated high priority notifications here and here. In the next step, let's go to the mobile data and Wi-Fi and turn on the unrestricted data usage. You can also try to reset your app, so go to the storage and cache, but before make the backup of your messages, tap on the clear storage and just delete. If you still don't have your alerts, we're gonna do the settings and we will try to reset your network settings. So go to the system, choose the reset options, tap on the Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, and tap on the reset settings button 2 times. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.